Power the Stars. She was born on February 16, 2019. She is the daughter of Nelson and Leah, born from love, nurtured by grace. She is also blessed to have her Kuya Ned and Ate Lian. She enjoys singing and playing the piano. But swimming is one of her favorite hobbies too. She feels like a mermaid when she is in the water. She loves to dance also because it makes her feel free and happy. She enjoys drawing and coloring as well. She carries a quiet dream to grow up and help heal the hurting through a life in the medical field. Growing up with faith in her heart, she knows that she's never alone on her journey. Each step she takes is guided by God's love. She always complained that her journey growing up is blessed by the love of her family and the light of God's presence. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for contestant number 2, Lena Elise Monte. She was born on December 2, 2014, an 11-year-old girl and presently attends Edward Lorraine St. Laurent School. She is a loving sister to her brother Albert Francois Rios Carpio and a beloved daughter to her parents Guillermo Omar Rios Mendoza and Presi Carpio. This little girl loves to draw, swim, and cook. She is also a proud pet lover. Friends, put your hands together as we welcome our contestant number 3, Eloisa Faith Carpio. The walk of our contestant number 4. The contestant number 4 is fondly called Yumi by her friends and family. She is 7-year-old and studying at Ecole Bedford as grade 2 pupil. She is the doting daughter of Karen and Jose Romeo Zaragoza. This bubbly and charming girl have a passion in singing, drawing, dancing, and reading. She is also on level 3 swimming at Sylvan Adams. Her ambition in life is to become a teacher and a model someday. Ladies and gentlemen, our contestant number 4, let's give her up to Naomi Olga Zaragoza.
In that very moment, I found the moment my life had found yours. Missing peace. So much longer than my love you will have it all you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now
Our contestant number 4 wears a ball gown of mestiza dress accented with a panuelo and the famous umbrella of Josephine Brockett. It is made up of sinamay and abaca direct from the Philippines. So ladies and gentlemen, please give it up to Noemi Olga Zaragoza, our contestant number 4. Adeline Bona. Contestant number 5 is wearing a mestiza dress representing
I rushed in line, only to find that you were gone.
and so to give us the full look of all the contestants, once again, here they are in their final walk so that our judges can judge them accordingly.